Hey medical fans, this is Beth from Rockstar Reviews. Today we're going to review a really cool fruit infuser for you. First, I want to say how absolutely sleek and stylish it is. It's perfect for travel and it's a great way to detox. It is also very simple to use. Just by adding fruit to your filtered water, you get some of the best tasting, most nutritious water on the planet. Oh, and here's a pro note. There are hundreds of books on Amazon that give great tips on how to make the most of your infuser. Or you can visit detox11.com for details. Kiwi, orange, pineapple, strawberry, there's so many options for fruit infusion. I personally love blueberry with my water. Adam, he sticks to the oranges and the grapefruit. Of course, most people use this to detox, but just a splash of vodka and you have one healthy cocktail at the end of the night. Well, there you go, guys. If you love this product, pick one up at the Amazon link below. Click like and subscribe to my channel. It's Rockstar Reviews.